In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit audio on Google Slides. Here's the key idea up front. Google Slides doesn't let you truly edit an audio file the way a dedicated audio editor would. You can't trim a clip, cut out mistakes, add effects, or mix tracks inside slides. What you can do is control how the audio behaves during your presentation, and that is often all you need to keep your talk smooth and professional. Start by selecting the little speaker icon that represents your audio on the slide. When it's selected, open Format Options. A panel appears on the right with the controls that matter. Think of these as your audio behavior settings. Choose whether the sound plays automatically when the slide appears or only when you click during your talk. If your clip is designed to run as background ambiance, turn on loop so it repeats until you move on. If you need silence at the start of a slide deck, use the mute setting, then unmute later when you're ready. For tight timing, enable stop when changing slides so the audio doesn't spill into the next section. And if you prefer a cleaner look on screen, hide the speaker icon while you're presenting. None of these options change the file itself, but they do change how your audience experiences it. If you discover the clip is too long, has dead air, or needs an effect, make those changes outside of slides first, using any audio editing tool you're comfortable with. Export a new version that sounds the way you want. Once your revised audio is ready, replace the one in your presentation. Click the audio icon on the slide and delete it. Then go to Insert, choose Audio, and add the new edited file to that slide. After it's placed, revisit Format Options and reapply your preferred behavior settings like autoplay, loop, or hide icon, because replacement resets those choices. 2 quick tips. If you want a soundtrack that carries across multiple slides, leave stop when changing slide turned off and keep the clip on the first slide of that section. And if you're coordinating narration, use play on click so you control exactly when it begins as you speak. Name your edited files clearly to make replacements faster later. Before you present, do a quick rehearsal in present mode. Advance through your slides and confirm that audio starts and stops when you expect, loops where needed, and stays hidden if you chose that option. With these simple controls, you'll shape the audience's experience without wrestling with complicated editing inside the app.